Honestly, bro, you don't know me rate Alka, but
it's good to see him on the ground.
A few moments later.
You know what I think Alka need some good producers.
2,000 years later.
I don't think Alka's gained a fan since 2018, bro. In a real life.
One eternity later.
The people them, we're not tired for begging for, no, show local interest. There's no interest in Alka. This mystique thing is boring now. It's corny now to me. I'm gonna be real.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Outside of the cartel story, Alka should have can say, yo, I'm stream more than cartel. I'm go to some different places where cartel never go. I mean, Popcorn can say that.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Enough time people hear me talk so passionate about dancehall and who me I say should I do more? Because it benefits me.
Of course it does.
I want you to know that it benefits me. So if dancehall genre is up there and I do what it's supposed to do, when me interview a man or when me I talk about dancehall as a man who in the industry, who deep on the ground, what you think gonna happen if Alkaline's on the biggest star tomorrow and a Jamaican talk about him? That's more eyes for me. Yep. That's more money. That's more everything.
The ecosystem, man.
So now I understand that. So shout out to Alkaline, man, his team, man. But
yeah. You did who? All of them are call up me name forget the eye. Me not give them no eye. They're going dead for hungry.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox.
Don't know Media Fox, you know. People. I tell you to write it. People, you see before I start the interview, yeah, I want you to listen keenly. The two main things about the interview, yeah. Seeing the podcast thing I'm going to say. Seeing about Alkaline. Read these two key lines. Jeffrey Vick say, Alkaline advice for him producer them. You know, DJ Mac, right? And some other one we him know. Seeing? And some way Alkaline usually work with, and Alkaline work with them no more. For example, Lee Miller. Because, you know, him interview Lee Miller, right? And then the second thing, him vex say, him not get no interview from Alkaline. Especially, Alkaline dey on the ground, and him not get no interview. So, I mean, I'm feelings. You understand? So, look here now. Listen what I want, people.
But at night time, is keep on the new Alkaline.
No, and this is me giving, I guess you would say, some reference to Alkaline in a way. I'll say, I think the only thing they really have in common is maybe the fan base looking like a cultish for Skipper. And Alkaline's fan base is cultish that way. So that's what I would say. I would say maybe if there's something that you could say that if he's a new Alkaline, that's the only thing I would say. The fan base, the fan base seems to be very cult-like for both of them. Because some young you just swear by Skipper. Like them swear by him. So I would say if there is a comparison, that's the comparison. But that's the fan base.
Brother, yo, me I tell you. So when I say fan base, brother, last yo, Jano. Brother, last year Skipper boss. The real way. Last year. And you tell me, say, man build fan base in a short space of time, bro. Bro, why not look at a artist who hot? Brother, when a artist hot at the moment, everybody a go prep him up, everybody a go happy for see him. No means that them I'm true fan base, dog. Wanna get them narratives. The Skipper and the Alkaline thing should even compare that. I don't know how that come in, bro. But I understand Skipper Jeffrey artist. So him a go bring him up worse. Skipper go depend him when name Bashman party. That's how Jeffrey stay, you know. You see every artist who him can sit down on the couch with and him can call. See him like Valiant. Valiant always be my artist. Him go road with Valiant, River, everything. Chronic Law, him and Chronic Law no two link again, cause through Chronic Law kind of see the style with him can't really get for use Chronic Law no more. That's why we the look at argument and thing. And him say, yo, Valiant over Chronic Law. Him kind of vex, you see me? So, him only prep up artists where him and them can chat more while and him can call him and say, yo, come do an interview.
Yeah.
So about the run. He's on a run.
Yeah, but is he on a run like an Alka run?
But I feel like
maybe we have to wait a little longer.
No, I feel like we can't get back an Alka run based on how music is being consumed these days.
Okay. And
then even within the Alka run, a lot of Alkaline songs wasn't being played in the dance because you don't know the system.
Yeah, but even
if you look on a man like, sorry to cut you, I'm just cut you. Skipper have like be having like 10 songs on the chart one time.
Us necessarily like the most fair thing to say, bro, because that Alkaline was our run, bro. Maybe if Skipper go on the next year for this year.
Is he on the path?
Yeah, him start to carry him drive off. Him start to carry him a drive off, and but him still have, you see me, road for go. It's difficult to compare the two, bro. Like, me talk about the Alkaline run many times.
Yeah.
And I'm also not, I don't know what's going on in the street with Skipper in terms of him getting fight out. I don't think he's getting a fight out, especially now. But we know say Alka did get like heavy fight out that one. You know what I mean?
Yo, Jano, but here with Jeffrey I say, cause with the youth talk about fight, here what I say.
You know say that?
No, yeah, I say no, it's a very serious thing to say. No, that. But speaking
People, the man bad mind, you know. I tell you, Jeffrey, bad mind to him not get no interview. So the brother beside him I tell him say, yo, Skipper not get the fight to Alkaline get. So when him ask Jeffrey, true Jeffrey and I'm feelings cause him not get no interview, him say, yo, him not know about that. Him not know about the fight. Brother, Jeffrey, if I saw you think you will get interview, brother, it don't cancel already, dog. I can't believe say you depend on your podcast and your feelings through Alkaline not get an interview, bro. You see me? Cause what you do right now, I just a bag of capping. You see me? That's all you do, bro. I don't know how no day you compare Skipper, bro. Skipper, bro. I one song we know Skipper for, you know, dog. And I hot with him right now, you know. One song, brother, when Alkaline around the place, bro, I be it song him a drop back to back. So I don't know what you talk about run and all of them little thing there, bro. Like, really, dog? Bro, Skipper do him little thing in Jamaica, brother. Yo, the body dangerous.
no, Alkaline is in these Jamaican streets, so I can shoot some music video. You know, what we make of this, what we can expect. Honestly, bro, you don't know rate Alkaline, but
It's good to see him on the ground.
People, pause. The reason why I can't say nothing more, the emotions are kicking. Yeah. Cause interview get rejected.
That's it. That's what
it's just like, what we're gonna get from all of this, bro? It's just like,
I only have an album coming out.
do you care?
I only care because it's 10 years since 2016.
Oh.
That's the only reason I care. And I don't know anything like him going to do the album around that. I don't think so. But I'm saying that's the only thing that would make me look at it and say, oh.
You know what I think Alka need some good producers. Big up to my dog Sponge there and himself.
Well, you've been saying that for a while.
No, I hear why. If you go if you go listen to the Alkaline them first song, my Juvenile, total garbage. You see me? Total garbage, which is fine, because you're young artists, you do your thing. And then when you see me link up with Jordan, them and Sunshine and Lee, like them like real producers, they produce.
And not nice at one.
No, and not nice. And you know, say what they...
Yo, I tell you about that youth, you know. I tell you about that youth, you know, dog. Them youth, yeah. Yo, them youth, them podcasts are not good for the dancehall industry. Me I tell you that, people. Because all him talk right now is just a little hate facade where him not get the interview, him just turn everything in a negative way. That's all. You see me? Because that's why Alkaline tell us, yo, if him sit down and chat up with them, he would be them favorite. You see, you can go forward and tell him nothing about Valiant and tell him nothing about DJ Mac. You know why? Because him and them can sit down on the same couch, or I go river together, or I go party together like a regular people. You understand? That's why you hear my talks on a vent, because I mean I'm feelings, because Alkaline up on the ground and him can't get for interview Alkaline. But down in a video and I go hear what go on. You see me?
I say, yo, more the biggest set of artists.
All right,
remember saying there grassroots Alkaline.
Yeah.
Grassroots Alkaline.
You might talk not nice.
Remember say Spice biggest song culturally is not nice again. Not something like it.
Yeah.
When I talk, say, bro, I know reach us about what they mean, I say, yo, not nice.
No, we can get not nice influence.
Not nice.
Yeah.
You see me? But back to Alka. I just feel like
people, them keep on bring up not nice. Brother, when you realize is Alkaline is the man and not nice? Alright, first of all, from Alkaline leave not nice side. Nobody did that talk about not nice like when him and Alkaline work? Or that more no? Who is the man? Because from Alkaline left not nice no really have no energy or no movement like where him have artists around him like who boss big like Alkaline where who usually after the Gaza kick out not nice. Who else? Me not understand that. No keep on a go back in a time, bro. That me not understand. No keep on a go back in a time and I say yo, him should have a link back with them producer and this. That show me say bro, who no want stick in a this. same type of tone of music. You don't want to get mature in a music and try different things. You don't want there with the same sounds and everything, bro. Because you in your feelings because you don't get an interview. I bet say if Alkaline did dead and him come link you for interview, you would attack everything good. May I tell you, I saw on stay, bro. You don't want artists for be, you know, side friend and you can call them anytime a day and say, yo, link up and all of them thing there. No, brother, superstar level, a different thing.
When I hear no energy in Alka song them, bro. Like I don't think Alka's gained a fan since 2018, bro. In a real life.
Why may I tell you that? Jeffrey, I think you need to go see a psychiatrist, brother. I feel like you go through a mental state right now because the rejection of an interview for real. You are gonna say from 2018, Alkaline no gain no fan, dog. Like really, brother? How true that is? How true that is? Alkaline no gain no fan since 2018, dog. Bro, I can't believe say you're a big man, brother. And it shows say you never is a feminine mindset to have, you know. Because all you talk right now, you're in your feelings, dog. 2018, Alkaline no gain no fan. When the man have the second biggest fan base in a dancehall right now, and you want to say the man no gain nothing, That you try to say? Bro, come out of your feelings, dog.
Man, I know that the music just not feel like him interested, bro. Not gonna be real, like you don't feel like him interested, dog. And it's just the people them we not time for begging for. Man, I know show look up interest. There's no interest in Alka. This mystique thing is boring now. It's corny now to me. I'm gonna be real.
People, man, in our feelings to bomb. You know what this remind me as people? When I remember when Nuffy forward out pan the fix and say, yo, I wanna so crave over this man and him not do nothing for dancehall. It's the same emotions him just do a while ago. He must say how people want Alkaline, basically attention, like, you know how people crave for him so. Knowing say him just a relax and a do music and a put out quality music. Because the artists say him link up. Nah, do the music them where if you keep them standing. Because look we might talk about on him interview right now, on him in podcast right now. Alkaline. Because what? Alkaline can give him the views. Alkaline is the man. Who else? Who else, people? Because the man want an Alkaline interview and him can't get it. Man, I crash out, you know, in him feelings.
You forgot the interview there with Critius?
Oh, I can't forget it. It was
that was terrible, bro. And again, Alka did not gain his fans by being mysterious.
All right, so
all of the streets thing.
We're seeing him on the road. We're seeing obviously people them still love him. We're seeing him on the road. I think I see my picture with Death Shot by Death. So I'm assuming there's new music coming from there. Does Alka have to compete again? Is that what we have to say?
You know what I'm saying? I don't care about who want to compete or who don't want to compete. I just want to see the genre move forward.
So him just say a while ago say Alkaline not gain him fans because of how him stay. I don't understand that, brother. Bro, all you talk you just in your feelings right now. Because we are say when people are here you talk, bro, that's a bag of madness you say, brother. You understand? Because at the end of years now, Alkaline been the guy in B. And the man name call up the most in a dancehall, brother. Enough of the artists them can tell you so them never see Alkaline. People say them never see Alkaline yet. Them man they not in a media like the other rest of artists. Them and theme name call up the most in a dancehall. So what that tell you say? You are call up the man name right now. You could not call, you could not talk about your favorite artist, Valiant, other rest of people, but Alkaline. But what, you know what the funniest thing, people? Why Alkaline just being himself put these people in their feelings? I don't understand. Same with Nuffy. The man just lay back, put out the music for him fan base, and it make them man in them feelings, bro. What's up?
We want to see the genre move forward we're cool, but he's still up there. He's still up there, so why not do it? That's all I'm saying.
I mean, okay, yes, he's still up there. But we can also argue that he's just still up there just based on like aura. Alka be aura farming in a certain way to me. Because he's not really producing music to an incredible clip anymore.
Mm-hmm.
So to me, it's like, yo, like you say, him now make a new fan since 2018, right? To me, the fan base is just what it is. Just vendetta. Like when you mentioned before, we did reach a cult like, isn't me? They're not going to represent for Alka no matter what, bro. But in terms of new music, Alka's just in that stage where maybe we have to start accepting it. Say, oh, him just in a legend stage, the way him not have to do that.
Yeah.
Maybe.
People, all them talk about gain fans in 2018. Tell me the artists were boss from 2013 like Alkaline. How much of them are full out the arena, sold out our arena? The artists were boss from 2013. Tell me how much of them I sell out the arena right now. Since him say from 2018 Alkaline again fans. Tell me now, Valiant not do it. That a film artist. Skipper not do it. Bro, none of them not doing it, brother. None of them. We're both since 2013 up to 2026 is not doing no arena by themselves, bro. So when you talk about fans, think twice, bro. And come out of your feelings there. Cause if you not even know what you do, because if I interview you pre forget from Alkaline, bro, from day one it cancel this, brother. Don't look out for your interview. Because you even make things worse for yourself. The things them where you forward on your podcast, because of feelings and some madness where you talk, brother, you're sick in your head, dog. You see me?
That's what we need to start doing. Like, we have as fans of the music, we know we have expectations as artists enough. We do. But maybe I just let him there now. Maybe him feel say a legacy act, a legacy time, and this is what I do. I pop out when I want to pop out. My fans come out. I do music when I want to do.
You know what it is? I feel like if the Cliff Hughes interview, if him say what you said, we would have this conversation right now. Enough time in a bro, just like, it's like no, we can have a conversation about Beanie and kingship because Beanie I tell us to this day, me are the king. You understand?
I was there. Him still read it.
Yeah, Beanie I tell you that to this day, say him are the king.
Yeah.
So a man can speculate about what Beanie man think. Beanie man I tell you exactly what theme thing there. I'll kind of tell you that. So we have for there so just a thing kind of, you know what I say, made the dark on a different level and I say, what the dark could I pray? But all I'm saying is Alka is one of those people who never fulfill their full potential in their music.
People, I don't know how Beanie Man drop in, but as me say, the key line, so I might bring up the interview Alkaline the last year with Cliff Hughes and I might bring up Beanie Man because it show you how the industry set. It's not about Alkaline music. Them want hear about some other things. So that's why I might bring up say true Beanie Man forward out say the king and this and that. Him want Alkaline to forward out and talk about some things when have nothing to do with him brand and with him music. And 3 minute feelings about the interview, you hear what him say a while ago? Him say, yo, if Alkaline they say something in the interview, them would dip on the couch, attack them type of way. So it show you say, yo, them money, them not business about music. That's the problem, you know. Them don't care about music. You understand? Them want hear people business, who want this and money, I do this and who want that are the main purpose, bro. That's why enough of them artists where you see them a bring and I talk about, them don't last long. You understand? That's the problem because before they make the people and focus on the music and the product where they push out, no, none of that. A lifestyle and this and that and some extra thing far away from the music. You see me?
And that's just the truth about it, isn't it?
You don't think he...
But at the same time, you know, when you start...
never fulfill it or never maximize?
Same thing?
Because fulfill is like, okay, he should be... Give me a bar he should be at. He should be as big as what? Cartel in your mind? Because... I feel like... What's the bar here?
I feel like him should have bigger than Cartel.
Yeah, all right, well, yeah, I don't know if him would have...
No, man, outside of the Cartel story. Alka should have can say, yo, I'm stream more than Cartel. I'm going to some different places where Cartel never go. I mean, Popcorn can say that.
Okay.
As a protege. Popcorn can say that.
I will say...
People, when you hear them money attack, anytime it comes to Alkaline, the man them move the goalpost many times. This man, I go say, Alkaline should have bigger than Vice Cartel. Bro, you don't know the advantage and the disadvantage. See, because first of all, bro, Cartel in the business for more than a decade than when Alkaline. Alkaline at about, say, 13 years now, bro. Cartel do about maybe like 2 or 3 decades already, fam. So, yeah, try, because when I try build little Alkaline now, you know, I say him should have bigger than Cartel, brother. Brother, I want to think like that. Eh? Me not understand that, bro. Why am I fi compare with what Cartel do? Why Alkaline just can't be great? Why Vice Cartel is the major when you have people out there who do dancehall where we are bigger than Cartel? Why you never say Sean Paul, Shabba Ranks, Shaggy? Me not understand that, bro. You keep on and put this narrative around Cartel, brother. You understand? Because you know say Cartel a industry puppet, bro. You understand? You don't know that. Him a the industry puppet. Him can't do nothing bad for nobody. You see it? So the comparison, bro, about man should have bigger than Cartel, brother. When Cartel in the years in the business for how long? When you keep on a compare the youths them we in a dancehall with Cartel in the game for over maybe 2 to 3 decades already, brother. I only in a dancehall I see them thing. I not see them in a hip hop and over Afrobeats and them thing there. You understand? Because you know push a pressure upon the youths them. If you try to say, yo, Cartel them nah do nothing. Bro, you have artists with bust 5 years now, 2 years now. Why you not try to compare with Cartel do with the youths when Cartel are the bigger artists, the more longevity artists? Bro, never stop them meds there, bro. You understand?
The thing that's beating Alka bad, unfortunately, is that run we talk about. Because that run was so good, I'm not gonna say the artist peaked too early, but you could say that.
No, bro. No, you know,
You could say that.
here's the point I don't feel good make. Alkaline is a human being. And in a real life, I'm matter from experience. Sometimes we don't know people that go through them life. And sometimes we have to see what people value.
You see it, an Alkaline private business them want know. That's why I bring about. We don't know what going on in an Alkaline life. I tell you people, an Alkaline life them want know about.
Probably a man just instead of being at the top come with a lot of pressure and it take away from fame life. It take from fame energy. Because how much money is enough money?
Question I'm asking this: Did he have my parent pass away?
Yes, and then
There's also things like that.
yes, but I say overall, how much money is enough money?
People would say that there's never enough.
But it has to be.
You get me?
Because if me get a certain amount of money right now, and every blood clot there, may I read this, Batman. Suck them on the guys, I'm going to say, vendetta, pussy, hate the boss, yo, one side, landslide.
I mean,
Probably.
People, you see why Alkaline wouldn't forward pan them money panel, brother? You see why? You see what them focus pan? Nah, brother, superstar, no superstar if you go get interview, bro. Uno not ready, brother. Uno just bring down the culture with a bag of unnecessary question than with the artist of the half a dog. Trust me.
Probably me would say, yo, I have enough now. I can take a seat. I can shoot when I want to shoot. You see where I come from? So sometimes we have to look on that, brother. You have enough money going. I cannot look and say much things. Being them do for the music, bunting them do for the music,
And them still
sizzle at them, whatever. And then them see all the fans return against them same people. You see where I come from?
Yeah.
So you never know where I'm gonna go through that. I'm not speculating that Alkaline is going to anything at all. But I'm saying the way him act is just like, I think, right now, here's Alka when I company right, the mood is surprise. Because the dad just move. Like, I'm good, bro.
I mean, him do things, I forget which one of those companies him did the runway thing with. I forget which one. Him did something with one of. I know it's Balenciaga. Givenchy. Yeah, like maybe him have other interests. Let him cook up.
People, this you call superstar level. When you have people talking about you without them knowing your business and them can't see a certain places, you see how them speculate what happened, this, that, Ray, this. Bro, this is how you would talk to like a international superstar artist. Like, yo, you want to know, you don't know what them do, and a bag of speculation them talk about go through life. And you don't realize, people, you realize that Alkaline move different from the other rest of artists them. Him stuck in himself, mean him just be himself and lock in and put out music, and you realize the other rest of artists them were outside in a everybody face. You realize Alkaline name call more than them. Bro, it show you different levels. Impact, relevancy, without a doubt. The youth not have to do nothing for him name call. How many artists in dancehall you don't see in the media and you don't like see them do anything? All when for a while you not see them, but them name never call it and you not see them. But Alkaline, where just a bit him and stay away from the media. Him in a timeline, him in a thumbnail and timeline every day. You understand? So it's true a superstar level, brother. All of some of them rest of the artists, yeah. Bro, them just behave like a regular person. In the street, they party every night. That is why them now survive too long in the business, because them convert into a regular person. People can use them. People can say, yo, pull up yourself, Ray, and once people can use you, there's no respect. You get common out. People tired for see you. You understand? Your value gone. Alkaline, who will is value? Business them man they deal with. Enough of them are some friend thing and all of them. So I'm seeing like Jeffrey and what you call it, Valiant. A friend thing. So we prep him up every day. But is he talking about Valiant really right now? Or is Alkaline? That's the difference when you have just a regular artist and a superstar artist.
Maybe it's Kaiser not.
Maybe
it's
Kaiser not. And music is still
It's like Rihanna. Bro, Rihanna leave music at her peak. Auntie's her biggest album ever.
Yeah.
And she said, I want to go and have kids. I want to start my makeup line. I want to follow my man up and down anyway, man. That's just life. I remember that people are human beings, bro.
Music is still an avenue for him to be able to make money, but it's not an avenue for him to maybe him don't feel the same way about music he used to.
Yeah, because really and truly, but big up to Alkaline same way. Big up to Alkaline. Call him in this for real.
Move on. We're speculating on the album, just to close it out. Speculating on the album, him have two. One is definitely more important than the other. Him doing the Up to the Line show, which is after Champs Party, which I'd at least want to see how.
Yo, I'm saying I'm gonna make a video. Sorry, up to the line. That's yo, Alkaline, follow Carter. Why ain't you up to the line? Up to the time. Up to the line, will I keep traveling from a barn?
Who said that?
A man on TikTok.
Oh, jeez.
Up to the line, I keep traveling from.
That's an after champs party.
Yeah, so we'll go.
Anyways, so him have that and him have Barclays, and he's supposed to have an album coming out this year, according to what we've heard. We just had a whole conversation about maybe we should have any expectations, but do we have any?
Bro, I'm gonna say Alkaline needs some producers, bro. And this is not enough to the producers, they want to produce him. No, I just see like when in a golden era, these guys were his friends. These guys.
Brother, yo, me I tell you to right. These guys was him friends. Bro, in life, when you grow, things changes. You don't want Alkaline for go back in the past with people where him and them not link. What you mean by the man need producer, bro? The man have producer already, brother. Skipper your artist, Valiant your artist, all of them look at Chaplin artists and artists they do some little music when it last long. At them song they don't want Alkaline for go do, brother. Eh? Bro, the time when they are worried about Alkaline having fan base, you know. Them artists are wanna really have free bro, brother. Them not no fan base, bro. I wait there them boss. The last 5 years, last 1 year, last 2 years. Let's see if them can survive for a decade, bro. You understand? None of them now pull. The crowd with Alkaline pull. You understand? Can't realize it on a pre-hype and them controversy thing there in a dancehall and the hotness, which artist hot, yo, the hype, all of them thing there on a pre. And through Alkaline to dwiggle and follow the wagon and all of them little thing there. Wanna try to make it look like say, yo, him nah do nothing. But since you don't say that, match up with the crowd with my pull. Because when Alkaline drop a music, everybody it go viral, everybody react to it and all of them look artists are what you talk about, bro. Nobody now review them song like that, brother. You understand? So you not think the wrong way because you know no feelings, because you no can't really get to the artist. That's the problem.
Guys were niggas we my par with. Can you even Alkaline go vice on the way you feel like right now? Can Mark produce the song? You get me from? Can Crash Dummy produce the song?
Okay.
You know what I mean? Or it's just send over a file and it is what it is. So you have to look into these things. So I'm not saying he need Frais or me, Sunshine or Jordan or anything. I'm saying he just needs chemistry with his producers. We're not hearing that.
I'm going to direction, bro.
People, it show you a while ago. So many name out two things. Him just bring up earlier about the interview thing, right? Now, he might bring up about the DJ Mac rhythm. Remember where the people followed out and I say, yo, them want Alkaline pan the rhythm. DJ Mac and Bridge, you know, them par everything. So that's why I bring up the rhythm name and he might say, yo, if DJ Mac can do this rhythm and all of them little thing there. Cause true you don't know Vado advice to DJ Mac and Cartel depend the rhythm and them little thing there. So he might feel like say, yo, Alkaline for depend the rhythm and all of these things. You see me? Cause you notice him just a while ago say, yo, Alkaline now link back with DJ Sunshine them and Frais them. Then now he must say, yo, him not talk them artists there. Basically, he must say he must talk about the DJ Mac rhythm. Our DJ Mac as a producer and more. Cause any Alkaline did that work with DJ Mac, all of this wouldn't I no say. You that hear him and say, yo, yeah man, a long time them for do music. That's why it burn him. That's why him talk about him need one DJ, one producer where him have chemistry with and this and that. Joe is not the producer when him a friend. You understand?
When I hear that, brother, so him is just telling to that direction right now based on the music will come out, bro. This is Alkaline we're talking about. And the thing again, you know, the position we're in a pause is a position anybody want to be in a pause. Because you have people just wait for good product. So it's not like you have a good product and go find the people that you know. Him not have a go for Shark Tank.
Yeah, he doesn't.
Him don't have the people. Remember, someone came to Alkaline and say, you don't need me.
Yeah.
You don't need me. You don't need me. You have the product, bro.
Yeah.
You have the people, them just give them the product.
So what is the problem then? If Alkaline having fan base, we are listening to music, what's the main purpose of an artist? So all of this, yo, this song, this and Ray, if you might pull the bigger crowd than them people and have the bigger fan base, we are listening to music, what is the problem then? What is he doing wrong? Me not understand this, brother. Because every artist have them little fan where we listen to for them music. But what's the goal of an artist? Me not understand, bro. Because what you just say, you just clarified it a while ago. Him having people them where I listen to your music. So what's the problem then, dog? Come out on the feelings, bro. Not because Alkaline are forward pan the couch come sit down beside and chat a bag of things, brother. You understand? Because me telling you say, yo, uno last from 2020 vision, you know. You understand? Uno just run with be hot artists and then them flap after that, bro. It's like uno now pre the vision with the youth are pre. You see me? Because from the youth forward I gave him name a call from 13 years no him name a call, brother. How much artists were bust from 2013 and name a call today? more than Alkaline. Bro, no sick. Me I tell you, say no brain slow.
So that with Alkaline, bro. You see me? I remember this doing, bro. No time people hear me talk so passionate about dancehall and who me I say should I do more? Because it benefits me.
Of course it does.
I want you to know that it benefits me. So if dancehall genre is up there and I do what it's supposed to do, when me interview a man or when me I talk about dancehall as a man who in the industry, who dip on the ground, what do you think about happen if Alkaline on the biggest star tomorrow and a Jamaican can talk about him? That's more eyes for me. Yep. That's more money. That's more everything.
The ecosystem, man.
So now I understand that. So shout out to Alkaline, man, and his team, man. But, you know, we move on and whatever. What's that about?
People, when you just hear it a while ago, him laid play straight. Him say, basically, if Alkaline forward come give him an interview, right? Basically, it would have make him gain more views, make more money. So you realize it's not about putting out the artist product where him have for offer. It's all about views and he put money in his pocket. Him not care about no artist, him not care about nothing else. You understand? So whatever, if an artist forward pan him arm show, him a go try to do something when I have nothing for uplift or promote for the artist, you know. I feel controversy and for make money go in a fee in pocket. So through Alkaline now forward pan him channel. So him forget, so he kinda now make him get much views and you know go controversy and all of them little thing there. That time main focus. Just for the views and all of these things. And them thing mash up the artists them. You understand? Them not gain nothing from that. But him gain, come and get the views and the money. That's what him care about. Cause when make they say it's just a selfish talk. The man say him want, yo, the dancehall thing go up. That's why I'm call out them artists. I want the artists them do better. So him can gain more money, more views and all of them little thing there. Bro, come out of your feelings, bro. Cause it show you right there, so say you're vexed because you not get no interview, bro. The moment you bring up right there, so but the views and it make you make money and all of them thing there, come out of your feelings. Cause you keep on the talk about yo, me rate Alkaline, yo, Alkaline I'm your artist, yo, this, that. Forward out of your feelings, dog. You see me? If I saw you pre-forget interview, you're not gonna get that, dog. You're not get. Cause all I want to chat this, so, brother, I'm madness, brother. It show me say, when the mindset come like a matches box, dog. It come like a matches back. Cause every day you talk, when you get up, Alkaline need new producer, Alkaline need this, Alkaline need that. And every day, when you depend on him name. And when him drop a song, everybody talk about it more than the artist them want to feel like say, yo, I run the place. You understand? Some of them don't really know what I want, bro. That's why Alkaline just do him thing. Cause today you say nay, and tomorrow you say nah. I saw you stay, dog. And as Alkaline say, through him no link up and chat up with you know, because him would have be on a favorite. See him like, oh, Skipper your artist, Valiant your artist, DJ Maka your producer, because why you can call him on the phone and say yo raw, and them always depend on your interview them. Or you depend on your channel. So you and them are go always good, you go always prep them up over the artist, you go always do this and do that. You can't do that with Alkaline. And that's your problem. That's why you know your feelings, dog. But people, you don't know, you know say I hate Bill Alkaline over the years. Yeah, man. The bag of negativity with them talk and all of these things. Yeah, man. It make him become bigger in the industry. The hate and the fight. Turn him into somebody where him love. Because Alkaline can't do nothing to make them really talk good, you know. Every time, they move, it come like World Cup. They move in most goalposts. Them can't stay in a one stadium. You understand? But people, when they don't know in a one media facts, you know. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. That is it.